That's right, my 4x4 boost conversion kit came in and I am going to install it. Now this Granite boost is meant for beginners and that's what I am, so this is the first upgrade I'm going to be installing. Alright, so I got my conversion kit here, my Granite, and just the tools that came in the box with it, so nothing special. Alright, let's take a look inside. Alright, so you get some nice 4x4 stickers, the instructions, and the parts for the kit. Hopefully this shouldn't take me too long, but it's my first time, so bear with it. I'm going to start by taking these wheels off. There's the first wheel off. I also got a rag here just to clean everything up. Alright, now that we got both wheels off, we gotta take this off. I believe you just pull it straight off. Yep, and be careful not to lose this little pin that comes flying out. This one right here. So we'll put those back in the box here so they don't get lost. Now once that's out, you should be able to push this. Nope, not yet. Still got to take these off. There's one. Next one is right here at the bottom of the shock. Alright, there's that side apart. Let's do the other side. Alright, so I've removed this screw here, disconnected that. I've moved this screw from down here and disconnected the shock. Now for this piece here, you just gotta pull this out. And be sure not to lose the little pin on the inside. There's that. There's the little pin. And then you just pop that piece right out. There you go. Alright, we got both sides removed and we're ready to install this piece here. So it just slides in through the back. There we go. You want to make sure that it goes all the way in. I'm going to line up the holes with the pin and just push it on. Just like that. Alright, we'll do the other side. I had to give a bit of pressure to get that to go in, but it does just nicely snap in. There we go. With step 4 done, we're now on to step 5. Where we flip it over. And we will be removing, let's see here. Alright, so we got to remove these 4 screws. This one up here, these 2 here, and this one down here. No, I was not gonna do. So 3. And the last one down here. Oh, it's like that's the last one. Now if we flip this back over, this front piece, if you guys can see this, this front piece should just open right up. That opens up, and you remove this piece right here. Don't need that. Alright, so when you're ready to install this, you can see here that this frame will sit right in down here. When installing it, you want to slide these in there. And I would like these to be, this knuckle here to be lined up with the one down at the bottom as well. Not sure if it makes a difference, but there. It's one side. There's the other. There. Now you can see that it's sitting in there nice and flush. Alright, I managed to get a little bit of grease. I didn't have any, so I had to go borrow some. Hopefully this will be the right kind. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this grease on the gear here. That should be good. Alright, now this should just close back down over top. There you can see that it seals it nicely right around there. Alright, now we can put the screws back in the bottom. Okay, just make now. Alright, those are all nice and snug. Alright, so now we put these two screws back together. And remember, it's the screw without the washer that goes in the top. Okay. Right now, so I'm on socket to do that. And this one with water. Right that side. That one. There we go. Right, more down the truck. Alright, there's those done. Just double check this. Alright, next is putting this in. Alright, for the granite, you're going to want to pull this apart. Take this spring off. And switch it over to the shorter one. So you see there, I just slid that on this end. Just slide right on there. There you go. And now we'll put the wheels back on. Get these pulled, make sure they're seated well. You heard a little snap there. That means it wasn't quite pulled all the way through. Let's try this side. Little snap there too. Perfect. Tighten them down one last time. There you go. There, now the Granite is 4-wheel drive.